Hello everyone, I am Regina A. Sapwes, second year BS Ed major in Filipino, student of NDC Tagum Foundation Incorporation. My topic for today is all about writing a novel. A novel is an invented prose narrative that is usually long and complex and deals especially with human experience through a usual connected sequence of events. A novel has different parts. Each part refers the details if what, how, why, when, and where does the main cast or the protagonist act or build its story. Beginning. The first lines of a novel or short story must grab the reader's attention, enticing them to continue past the first page and continue reading. The first sentence provides you with an opportunity to showcase your writing style, introduce your main character, or establish the enticing incident of your narratives. Development. A stage of development is a fresh period when certain needs, behaviors, experiences, and capabilities of the cast are common and different from other periods, meaning this is where they are more sensitive, taking responsibility, or choosing and managing the connection as possible. In addition, this also opens the mutuality of caste. Conflict. Conflict in a story is a struggle between two or more opposing forces. Conflict could be an argument between two characters, or it might refer to a battle of a character and an internal force, such as nature. Conflict could even be an internal struggle within also the character by character. Resolution. The resolution in literature and film is the final act of a story, where the climax occurs and the conflict for the main character is resolved. It is also where everything is tied up and all loose ends are unanswered and unanswered questions are dealt with. In short, it is where the end of the story takes place. Ending. Ending is when it happens near the end of the story. It is known as the twist or surprise ending, and it may change the audience perception of the preceding events or introduce a new conflict that places it in a different context. Although a plot twist can occur at any point in the story, it is those that happen in the final act that gives audience the most satisfaction. What is prologue? So a prologue is a short opening section in a book that is separate from the main narrative, taking place within the story's world. They provide the reader with character backstory, world building, or foreshadowing. Prologues also came from the beginning of the book. So, after any copyright, dedication, and epigraph pages. What is epilogue? So, in literature, an epilogue is a separate section that serves as a final wrap-up after the end of the main story to tie up loose ends. So, it is often set in the future from where the story ended. An epilogue is one literary device an author can employ to hint at a subsequent book in a series. So, what is a protagonist? So, in fiction, a protagonist is traditionally a heroic figure opposed by hostile antagonists. Examples: protagonist in a sentence: an interesting protagonist should overcome obstacles and grow as a character. A story can have multiple protagonists. So, what is an antagonist? An antagonist defines an antagonist is a villain, evil man in the story who is often working for wicked reasons to ruin the hero. While villains can be protagonists, they are antagonists when they are not the main character of the story, but rather the primary source of conflict for the main character. So that is the antagonist. Fun facts. So did you know the about 10 facts about novels? So there are around 130 million published books. The most sold book is the Bible, and the longest book in the world is Remembrance of Things Past. The most expensive book in the world is the Codex Leicester, and the first ever story written was the Epic of Gilgamesh. So that is the fun facts.